Welcome. Today we'll be talking about University of Abuja Physics post UTME past question 11. It says in Coulombs law, the force between 2-point charges is proportional to number 1. It says the square of the distance between them. 2. Product of charges. 3. Permittivity of the medium. Now, which of these are correct? A says 1 and 2 are correct. B says 1 and 3 are correct. C says 2 and 3 are correct. D says 1 only is correct. And E says only 2 is correct. Now, let's say there are two charges, Q1 and Q2, separated by a distance R. According to Coulombs law, it says the force between these two charges separated by a distance R. Let's call the distance R. In this case, the distance is R, and the force between these two charges, Q1 and Q2, separated by a distance R, is directly proportional. Now, it's directly proportional to what? To the product of these charges. And inversely proportional to the square of their distances. To the square of the distance between them. Now, what this is trying to say is that these two charges, now the force binding these two charges together, is equal to the product of the two charges, that's Q1 multiplied by Q2 divided by what? The square of the distance between them, provided that there is a constant K. Now, according to this brief explanation, the question is telling us now that which of the following is correct, or which of the following is inclined to the Coulombs law. Now, number 1 says the square of the distance between them. It says the force between the two charges is directly proportional. Now, when you have a question and it's just telling you proportionality, it means it's directly proportional. Now, the only quantities that are directly proportional to the force concerning when Coulombs law is concerned is the product of the charges. Now, the product of the charges are directly proportional to the force, but then the square of the distance between them are inversely proportional to the force, so this cannot be the answer. Now, permittivity of the medium, no, this is not also applicable. That the permittivity is like the constant. Now, product of charges, like I explained, the product of the charges is directly proportional to the force, so now this is the only valid option here, option 2. Now, the question says which of the following is correct. A says 1 and 2, this is not correct. 1 and 3 no, 2 and 3 no, 1 only no. But for E it says 2 only, and I said 2 only is the correct option, that's 2. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.